Here is another idea for decorating a table. In this case, we will make trees with napkins. Take a folded napkin and fold the edges upwards, leaving half-inch separation. Repeat the process for the other 3 edges, always leaving half-inch separation in between. Flip over the napkin and fold both sides. Flip again, and now we take the first edge and fold upwards. Do the same for the rest of the edges while inserting with the previous fold. Place on top of a plate and you will have this simple and easy decoration.